Hi everyone, and welcome to my new series, Restore a Tool That's in My Old Tool Drawer? I don't know. Whoever can come up with a better idea for a name for this series, I'll pin your comment down below. But pretty much all we're going to do is each episode we're going to open up my drawer of old rusty planes and other tools and restore something that episode. So this episode we're going to go into the tool drawer and we're going to pick out a tool, and we're going to start off with this Stanley number 6 hand plane. Alright, so we'll start out by pulling the hand plane apart, moving all the screws and bolts, and we're going to put everything in a container for the moment. Looks in pretty good condition, which is good. Blades pretty much rusted together, so I have to have fun trying to, oh, there we go, came apart. A lot of surface rust on there, but it's not too bad. Blade's got a nick in it, so we'll have to recut that. Looks pretty good condition. It's very dirty. Yep. Everything moves pretty well on that. That came out pretty easy. Easier than I thought it would have, which is, I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter too much. And then one last bolt. And there we have, that's pretty well stripped. Alright, so the plane has been sitting in the vinegar for a couple of days now and has had plenty of time for the vinegar to do its job. Now what we need to do is we're going to don some gloves, and we're going to take some plain water and add in some bicarb soda. Now what the bicarb soda does is it neutralizes the vinegar and will stop it from eating away at the metal pieces. So what we'll do is we'll just get out a metal piece, put it in the water here, and then I'm going to take a brass brush and scrub it clean. Once everything was dry, I took the main body and the frog and gave them a coat of black paint. Then I grabbed my favourite beverage, put on my favourite movie, and went to town with my rotary tool, sanding all the pieces and polishing them up. Once the paint was dry, I sanded the sides and the bottom of the main body, and then reassembled the entire plane. I gave the handles a coat of golden teak oil and installed those as well. Alright, so that is the hand plane finished. I ended up going over the handles with golden teak finish, which actually brought out the colors really nicely and they look really good. The plane has pitting and everything on it, and let's be honest, it's a really old tool. To get rid of all that, you would have to take off a lot of material, and that's not something that I really wanted to go through the process of. But it looks good. The brass came up really nice, which is good. But everything else, like, it's not perfect, but what do you expect? It's a really old tool and I think it looks really good. Now, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. And also, for 5 days after this video is released, I'm going to have a poll that you can vote on at what the next tool is that I'm going to restore. I'm not sure with the poll if I can add pictures. If I can, I'll add pictures there and you can vote on that. And we will go from there. But I'm excited to see what everyone wants me to restore next. Be sure to come back next week for another video, and I will see you next time.